did that, eh?
No.
No, that's a dog did that.
Well, she wasn't. That's why I got her.
Yeah, but no, I'm not saying.
Like my own tree because if you want to see something beautiful, here's mine. Okay, but only thing I show you right now, he was born like this. When he was born, okay, that's my dog has to have a candy, and she eats. And see, my own cat, when she was born, I had to help her out, him out. He had the umbilical wrapped around his paw, and it broke his paw.
Wait.
His paw, so my oldest son was in Vanier. He took it up to the spay noodle, and they fixed him up. So like I said, him and him are both my cats. They're my babies. But when we can find homes for these cats, they're hidden they hide all over the place. I mean, like I said, we got to do floors. My mom doesn't want to put any repairs into this house until we get rid of the animals, okay? And this is why, when he called, and I seen him here this morning, I'm asking him, well, I hope, I'm just saying right now, oh yeah, that's my bunny rabbit. My son bought me a bunny rabbit, he stays in his cage. He's no
You don't have enough?
No, I had him for over a year now. I had him over a year, but he stays, I only got the one, and I don't even want the one. But if you could do me a favor, my dear, can you do me a favor? Can you find a home for a cockatiel?